Hello and welcome to Easy English Lessons. In this video, you will practice real-life English conversations for beginners. These short and simple dialogues will help you speak English in everyday situations. Anna is in her first beginner English class. She feels nervous but ready to learn.
Welcome, everyone. Today we will practice simple conversations for daily life. Greetings, shopping, eating, travel, school, work, and health. We will speak slowly. Listen first, then repeat after us.
Listen carefully and repeat each sentence slowly.
Anna, please work with Tom. We will start with greetings and introductions.
Hello.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I am good. What is your name?
My name is Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from Mexico.
Very good, Anna. Anna and Lisa, please practice the bonus conversations.
Hello? Hi. How are you? I am good. What is your name? My name is Lisa. Hi. Hello. Where are you from? I am from Brazil. Nice to meet you. You too. Now the class moves to daily life, school, and work.
We will talk about routines, school, and jobs.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Do you work?
Yes, I do.
What time do you wake up?
At 7 a.m.
What do you eat?
I eat rice. Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
What do you study?
English.
Do you like school?
Yes, I do. What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Do you like your job?
Yes.
Are you busy?
A little.
Good job.
Next is shopping, clothes, and food.
Let us practice in a small shop.
How much is this?
It is $5.
I want this.
Okay?
Do you have this in blue?
Yes, we do.
Can I pay here?
Yes.
I like this shirt.
It is nice.
Can I try it?
Yes.
Do you like coffee?
Yes.
Do you like tea?
No.
What do you like?
I like fruit.
Now the classroom becomes a restaurant.
Anna, you are the customer. Tom, you are the waiter.
Can I have a menu?
Yes.
I want pizza.
Okay.
Water, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next, Anna and Lisa practice home and neighbors. Hello, I am your neighbor. Nice to meet you. Do you live here? Yes, I do. Welcome. Thank you. Then Anna answers the phone. Hello.
Hi, this is Tom.
Can I call you later?
Yes.
Now the class practices directions, transportation, time, and social plans. Where is the bathroom?
Over there.
Where is the bus stop?
It is near here.
Is it far?
No, it is close.
Is this seat free?
Yes.
Is this the bus to downtown?
Yes, it is.
When do we arrive?
In 10 minutes.
What time is it?
It is 2 p.m.
Are you free today?
Yes?
Let's go out.
Okay.
Do you want to come?
Yes?
See you later.
Bye.
For the last lesson, the class practices feelings and health.
How are you?
I am happy.
How are you?
I am tired.
Are you okay?
Yes.
How do you feel?
I feel sick.
What is wrong?
I have a cold.
Very good.
At the end of class, Anna sounds more confident.
Let us do one more review.
Hello. Hi. How are you? I am good. What is your name? My name is Lisa. Where are you from?
I am from Mexico.
What time is it?
It is 2 p.m.
Are you free today?
Yes.
Let's go out.
Okay?
Very well done, everyone. Practice these short conversations every day.
Today you practiced greetings, daily life, shopping, restaurant, directions, transportation, school, work, home, phone, feelings, and health. Watch again, repeat slowly, and come back soon for more easy English lessons.